Hi everybody, Brian McHale here, and just thought I'd let you know something that I've come across. A lot of people have said that the Indian Scout does not give them enough fuel range because the tank is too tiny, and everybody is trying to figure out if there's such a thing as a bigger tank that you put on that will take care of all that. Keep in mind that your fuel pump is inside your tank and all that stuff, so it would really complicate it if you went with a different tank unless you had an ability to hook all that stuff up and also be able to integrate all this as well. So the easy fix, I found out, is to consider doing this. It's oh, that's my dog in the background. It's a Malinois. Is to get a 5 liter, 1.25 US gallon tank, or a 1 gallon tank Canadian, approximately, because 1 liter is 4.54 liters is 1 gallon Canadian, so it's a little bit more than that. What's nice is it fits nicely on the back rack. I'm going to be putting it in a leather pouch, very similar to the leather of the bike, so you won't really see it. It's only 12 inches high. What's nice is you've got a complete fuel station that allows you to remove the clip, put it on your bike, and fill it up automatically, and it automatically shuts off. It's battery powered, and it's not that expensive to purchase, and that's how I solved it by putting it this way here, a little ways back. You've got more than enough hose to do it, so basically you could fill up your tank without really getting off the bike. It's about all the crazy movement and everything, but that's basically what it does. And it would be a simple case of just bungeeing it down, or getting leather straps that go underneath the chrome rail. The noise you hear is my dog trying to get her giggle ball.